That little thought that has been germinating in your head and has probably been surviving there for years as a seed, you can turn that into a full-grown crop if you just put your mind to it. And I'm going to teach you just how you can turn the odds in your favor. Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you something called the scripting technique. I'm going to be giving you all some real life examples so that you all can relate to it and apply it in your real life. The scripting technique is super simple, but you need to understand the reason why we are doing this and how exactly it works in order to apply it properly. We will be combining two techniques. One is the scripting technique and the other one the act as if technique. I will also be teaching you a bonus technique that will help you in speeding up the process. So stick around till the end and let's begin. All you need for this method is a diary and a pen and a quiet place in your house where you can sit calmly all by yourself and just think. The reason I'm emphasizing that you have to be by yourself is because when you are in solitude, you can hear your thoughts more clearly. And when there is clarity, the process of manifestation becomes much more easier. The scripting technique is basically you taking out time to think and write down your wishes in order to manifest them easily. It starts as a thought, a mere thought. And when you put it down on paper, it's like you're thinking out loud and the universe can hear that sound. If you use the power of your subconscious mind correctly, the universe can turn that sound into sweet music. So pause this video right here and go and take your diary and the best pen that you have. Ready? Okay? Now you have to write down the wish that you absolutely want with all of your heart in great detail. It can be attracting a great relationship, amazing set of friends, manifesting your dream house, attracting more money into your life, better relationships, having your dream career, anything that your heart desires. Write it down in present tense. Writing something in present tense will help you act as if it has already happened. So you are combining two techniques here. One is the scripting technique and the other one is the act as if technique. By writing things in the present tense, you are getting into the famous feeling place where you know for the fact that you will get this wish anyhow by hook or by crook. If you want me to make a separate video on the act as if technique, let me know in the comments below. For example, you want to manifest a dream job. You will write down all the qualities that you want in that job, like your job location, your salary, your relationship with your colleagues, with your boss, what your work environment will be like, the job perks, etc. You will visualize your future workplace and your future work life and you will put that down in paper. If you want more details on that, I have made 3 videos on how you can use the law of attraction to manifest your dream job. I will link it down for you in the description box. So coming back, for example, if you want to attract your dream partner, you will write down all of his qualities, his physical appearance, his personality, what he looks like, your relationship with him, your compatibility level, how you want to meet him, where you aspire to live with him, and so much more. Every little detail you will write down in your diary in present tense. For example, thank you so much universe for giving me my dream partner. He's so sweet, kind and amazing and he's so passionate and expresses his emotions so well. He is everything that I always wanted in a man. He's chivalrous, intelligent and a wonderful person. He's an emotional guy who expresses his feelings and he's exactly the kind of guy I want to spend the rest of my life with. You have found the perfect guy for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Writing things in present tense will help you get into that feeling place, into that vortex that this is definitely going to happen. That it is possible to manifest your dream partner and the universe will conspire to make everything happen for you. It is a possibility. You just have to believe in it. If suppose you want to manifest your dream house, you will write down everything in detail, where you want to live, what kind of society do you want to be in, do you want a park, do you want a swimming pool, do you want a basketball court, whatever it is that you want, write it down. And no, you're not asking for too much or trying to aim high. You have every right to live the dream life that you always wanted to live. Just that you have to have the guts to ask for what you deserve. Otherwise, how the hell are you going to get it if you don't believe in your own dreams? So you need to go into that frame of mind where you're ready to receive blessings, ready to receive abundance in all forms. By believing, by visualizing, by giving gratitude to the universe, you will get exactly what you want. Which brings me to my bonus tip. Now, you've written down everything that you want, what kind of desire that you want in absolute detail. Now, what is the next thing that you will do? Now you've written in present tense that you've received all of this. So naturally you owe a lot of gratitude to the universe, right? Write that down. Visualize yourself in that situation where it has already manifested. You'd be on the top of the world, right? So thank the universe as if it has already happened. The same way you would when it actually manifests. Get into that exact state of mind where you're happy, excited, full of joy, and ready to receive blessings. That's when the law of attraction will kick in and go into high gear. The universe will rearrange circumstances and situation so that the tables turn your way. To bring that thought, that deep desire into reality, the universe will conspire. It is possible. If I can manifest 55k, then I think anything is possible. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the next video here. See you in the next video. Bye.